The Huntsville police officer convicted of murder is no longer on paid administrative leave, but he is still getting a paycheck funded by your tax dollars. Nearly 2 weeks after William Darby's murder conviction, the city is answering our questions about the employee policies and procedures that allow this to happen. Thursday, Huntsville City Attorney Trey Riley explained the city government's due process for employees charged with crimes. It's something Way 31 has asked about repeatedly since we learned William Darby was on paid leave following a murder conviction related to the on-duty shooting of a suicidal man, Jeffrey Parker. The city attorney says hours after the verdict was handed down, May 7th, Police Chief Mark McMurray notified the Alabama Peace Officers Standards and Training Commission. That group supervises training and certification of law enforcement across the state. Upon learning the verdict, they immediately froze Darby's certification, meaning he could not act as a law enforcement officer. 4 days later, on May 11th, the city says Chief McMurray initiated the request for a formal disciplinary hearing under the city's Personnel Policies and Procedures Manual. Once that was completed, Darby was placed on paid administrative leave. City attorney says that's because of federal policies that apply to all government employees, even if it's a state or local body. Because of those policies and the fact that Darby has a right to employment under them, the city says it cannot terminate him until the disciplinary hearing is complete. That hearing was originally set for May 24th, but it will have to be postponed. That's because Darby is no longer on paid administrative leave and is now on accrued leave with pay. The city did not say why, beyond stating that Darby, quote, availed himself to certain rights under federal law. The city attorney says that the hearing will be rescheduled following a change in Darby's leave status. It's not clear when that could happen or how long after the change that hearing would be set. The city also confirmed that to date it has paid more than $89,000 in Darby's legal fees. The city council has authorized up to $125,000. Coming up at 5, we'll explain where that money is coming from.